Riddle: You are my mother, but I am not your son. What am I? So it is very difficult and it is very important riddle in the world. Option A brother, B sister, C daughter. Only USA person correct answer and 90% people failed the correct answer. So the video is very important and it's very difficult riddle in the society. So your comment please.